This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We reached the closing bell, and look at that market right near the session lows. S&P is actually going negative. Futures negative by 4 points, closing right near the session lows. We were right down there at 8:15 on the ADP private payroll number. That number, why not? We'll jump to it. 37,000 in May. The expectation was for 110,000. Real wages, annual pay growing at 4.5% for people remaining in their jobs and a 7% pay increase for those changing jobs. Not bad numbers when pay. That may contribute to inflation. The other economic data point we got today, the Fed Beige Book, and the headline goes, declining growth and rising prices and slow hiring. Well, watch out, man. And we'll see if that plays out in the hard data. But nonetheless, you get those two. Markets finish right near that low. And we're only talking about a range, folks, of about 15 S&P points, right? From 59.80 to 59.95. So not much volatility. The market awaiting the non-farm payroll number due out on Friday. You jump over the NASDAQ 100. Pretty similar action, although not quite the pullback, right? NASDAQ 100 up by 50 points, and the reason why? Well, some of those growth stocks. How about Meta today? Yeah, finishing strong, up by 3.2%. From Meta shares to the upside, you had Amazon up by 0.75% today. Big-time numbers. On the earnings front, we talked about it, Dollar Tree, down by 8.3%. Not living up to the expectations of Dollar General. Two different companies when you talk about the tariffs that they have. And then you got to jump to yields. Yields in the dollar, probably the story of the day with what's going on. And right now we got the 10-year, probably approaching 4.35. Let's pull it up. There it is, 4.35, the yield on the 10-year, 4.35. We got lower yields, and lower yields driving some dollar weakness. Dollar under 99 again. There's your move at 10 o'clock. There's your move at 8:15. We came into that number at 99.20. You went all the way down to 98.70. The dollar trading at 98.87. And like I talked about on the program, what stocks are going to trade higher if we get a little bit of a reprieve? How about the home builders catching a bid today? KBH, KB Homes, up by 2.4%. Lennar, up by 3.3%. D.R. Horton, up by 4.4%. There you go for you home builders out there in that real estate market. Folks, thanks so much. Have a great night. Have a safe night. Come see me 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow for the morning market kickoff. We'll see you then, folks. Have a great night.
If you spend